This is before. It's been, I think, I did 3 times. I ran the thing 3 times. I go like this. I have a little, this is nice. Spray. I'm getting my hand wet because I'm holding it with one hand. And then I just kind of go on the inside. And then it's good enough. So I do that every 2 or 3 times. And then I clean that part too. That's the part that comes out of there.